In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in BingX for beginners. Welcome, and let's dive right into exploring the intriguing world of cryptocurrency trading on BingX. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step through the process of making your first crypto trade. First things first, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the BingX interface. Spend a few moments clicking around so you know where everything is, especially your trading dashboard and how to access your account settings. This initial tour is essential because it sets the stage for a smoother trading experience later on. Now let's move on to the next critical step, funding your account. Before you can start trading, you have to deposit funds into your BingX account. Navigate to the deposit section where you can find options to fund your account. Keep in mind that BingX supports a variety of funding methods, including bank transfers and cryptocurrency deposits, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Make sure to double check all your transaction details before proceeding to avoid any hiccups. Once your account is funded, it's time to explore the different markets available. BingX offers a wide range of trading pairs, allowing you to trade major cryptocurrencies against each other or against fiat currencies. Take your time to research and decide which trading pair aligns with your strategy and goals. This research will form the backbone of your trading plan, so be thorough. Feeling more confident, let's place a trade. To do this, head over to the trading interface and select your chosen trading pair. You'll see an order form, and here's where you'll enter the details of your trade. Decide on the type of order you'd like to place. If you're looking to buy or sell immediately at the current market price, choose a market order. Alternatively, if you have a specific price in mind, go for a limit order. After entering all the necessary details, review everything carefully, and when you're ready, execute your trade. Congratulations! You've made your first trade on BingX. But we're not done yet. Successful trading is not just about executing trades. It's also about analyzing and learning from your actions. Keep track of your trades in the order history section to monitor your performance over time. Regularly reviewing your trades will help you identify any trends or patterns that can inform future decisions. Now, as we wrap this up, remember that trading can be quite volatile, so it's vital to keep learning and not rush into decisions. Stay informed about market trends and continuously update your trading strategies accordingly. That's it for today's introduction to trading on BingX. Hopefully, you're now equipped with the basics to start your journey into cryptocurrency trading safely and effectively. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on future content. Thank you for watching.